welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be organizing my closet and cleaning it out. So let's just jump right into this video.
But I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become?
So as you can see, I do have a really small room, so that also means I have a very small closet. So I'm just trying to keep it really neat and organized and not have too much clutter in there, because once you get a lot of clutter, it's just so messy because it's so small. So I thought I would get a big bin and just put as much stuff as I can in there. So pretty much I'm going through all the stuff in my closet and I'm just laying it out all on my bed, and I threw out a lot of stuff. So a lot of stuff you'll see I don't put back in the bin. So I just threw all that out. All the stuff that I don't use that often in the bin because it's hard to get out. And then you can see I have the two mint green baskets, and I'm just putting the stuff I use more often in those. So I have like my straightening iron, my curling iron, some of my candles, just all that stuff because it's just easier to pull down and grab out of there.
Chasing you, chasing you. Under your spotlight.
So next, I'm just gonna go vacuum out my closet. I do have rug throughout my whole room, so it's in my closet too. So I'm just gonna vacuum it up. And then the last thing I'm gonna do to clean it is just spray my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray just on the top shelf, just to make sure it's clean and there's no dust up there. I'm also just gonna go through all of the clothes on my hangers. I'm pretty much just giving away anything that I haven't worn in the last 6 months. It's gonna give it away to Goodwill or something like that. And then I'm also just gonna organize everything. So I organize it in categories of tank tops, sweatshirts, cardigans, long sleeves, just so they're all in order and I know where to go for what I want.
The seasons turn and change just like your mind. The sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not so long, just a time, just like another season. You came into my life just like another season. Not so long, just a time, just like another season.
So that's it for this video today. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you some cleaning and organizing motivation and maybe some ideas for your own closet. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.